Hello everyone, welcome to Pro Learner YouTube channel. I am Hamad Sandhu. In today's video, we will learn how to use TypeScript with React.js. So first of all, we will install React.js project with TypeScript power. Okay, so I will open my CMD. Inside CMD, I will write a command which is npx create React app and with the template of TypeScript. So the command is npx create React app. Then simply you just give it the name of your project. So for example, in my case, I will give it React TypeScript. After that, you will give it a flag. The flag is template, and after flag you just need to write TypeScript. Okay, and this command will install React.js project on your machine with TypeScript power. So I already installed the project in my machine. So after that, I will go to Visual Studio Code, and inside Visual Studio Code you need to import or open that project which you installed with the help of that command which I showed you before. So before going to the code, I will show you one more thing. You just need to install the extension for TypeScript and React. So you just need to write React type inside search bar and then go to this which is TypeScript React code snippets. And this extension will help you to write a React and TypeScript code with some shortcuts. Okay, so I will show it to you. So inside this project, we will simply create a counter with an input and with the button. Whenever user click on add that button, the number will increase. Okay, so for that I simply create a file. For example, the file name is counter, and you just need to give the extension of the file is tsx, because inside React and TypeScript project you will write extension tsx, not jsx or gs. Here inside this component I just simply write a shortcut because of that extension which we installed. Okay, so the shortcut is tsr and afce. So this will create a basic template of React TypeScript component. So after that, inside this div, I simply create an input and a button. Okay, add button, and simply give it type. So here inside the prop, I need to write my prop, which is for example initial count. So the type of this prop will be number. And after that, you will create a state with the name of counter state. Okay, and second thing is set count state, and then you need to import useState from React, and then simply write that prop here, props dot initial count. So after that, you need to create a function to handle an on click event which user do with the help of this button. So I just simply create a function for that, counter handler, with the name of counter handler, and simply inside this function I manipulate my state. So here I need to write on click event, and inside this I will pass that function which I created with the name of counter handler. I will save this, and after that I will go to my I will go to my app.js file, and inside this I will import that component counter, and simply you need to import here as well counter from okay, I created this counter outside the source folder. Okay, now I need to give it counter, and after that I will give it that prop which is initial count, and initial number will be 0. And after that we will create a p tag, because we just need to show the content, not an input, or not we want something from the user. Okay, so inside this p tag I just show that number. So here I simply write the state. After that I will save the file and simply open my terminal, and inside this terminal I will run the project with the help of npm start. Now I will wait for about 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, so now my localhost runs successfully. I will open my Chrome and refresh the page. After refreshing the page, here you see my code run, and I will click the button. Okay, nothing work here. Here we just need to write +1. After that, go again to your localhost and refresh the page. Again click on the button. Here you see now our code work fine. So that's it. This is all you need to know about how to use TypeScript or how to install TypeScript inside a React.js project. So I hope you like the video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.